Сите, почитувани гости, почитувани организатори, почитувачи, поддржувачи, гости на Крушево, добре ни дојдовте во нашето убаво Крушево. Денес е петтиот ден од одржувањето на манифестацијата 10 дена Крушевска република. И ова не е случајно. Голема е честа на Крушево и крушевчани да имаме едно вакво светско 16-то првенство за параглайдинг. Токму тука во Крушево. Respected organizers, dear participants and guests, welcome to Krushevo, welcome to the land of paragliding and adventure. It is honor to host you here, in the highest town in the Balkans, with a competition important for the both parties. For you, as professional competitors, and for us as destination for adventure tourism. Krushevo takes its elite organizers for many international competition, including world and European competition. That means that we have become one of the most wanted adventure tourism destination in the world. And also proof of that is this World Paragliding Championship. I want to let you know that we continue to work on improving the condition for paragliding in Krushevo. Because our ambition is crucial to become the best place for paragliding and gliding in the world. However, I would like to wish great stay here, successful competition, and don't forget to try our tasty food, visit museums and monuments, ride a bike, hike and hill, and try out many things unique from Krushevo. During your stay here, there are many events happening in Krushevo, and you will not feel through the organizers for competition. Thank you very much, and I proclaim the World Paragliding Championship opening. Крушево и крушевчани ви посакуваат топло добре дојде. Сакам сите да оставиме впечатоци, да ни доаѓате се во поголем број. Ви благодарам.